Hi everyone! If you are someone who loves to travel, enjoys using smart gadgets, or is passionate about photography, this video is for you. Today, we are exploring 3 amazing gadgets that are not just cool, but super practical for modern lifestyles. Before going next, please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing videos. So let's begin with number 1. If you go on a trip and your mobile phone gets discharged, the first thing you look for is a power bank. But what happens when your power bank also runs out of charge? That's when the real trouble begins, especially if you're on a camping trip without any power source. This gadget is the perfect solution. It's designed for camping trips where you can charge your power bank using solar power. It comes in 2 variants, one with a 5,000 mAh battery and the other with a 12,000 mAh battery, both easy to use. It also includes small attachments to transform it into a light source, like a lamp. Plus, with Type-C connectivity for regular charging and a set of solar panels, you can charge it in the sun while on the move. For those who love to travel and explore, this power bank is a must-have. Number 2, let's talk about the Rabbit R1. Initially, I was curious about how this gadget could stand out when smartphones already perform similar tasks. But this isn't just any gadget, it's a professional tool. It's built for advanced AI-based tasks and can handle many OpenAI segment functions at a professional level. Think of it as a virtual assistant that instantly enhances any task you assign to it. It also features a built-in AI camera that provides detailed information about any image. Whether it's image analysis, content creation, or other AI tasks, this gadget is a game changer for professionals who need efficient and powerful tools. Number 3, we have a fantastic gadget for photography enthusiasts. You have probably seen large drones used at weddings for photography and videography, but if you're into personal blogging or want a portable drone for travel, this one's perfect for you. It's a tiny drone that fits in the palm of your hand. It takes just 3 seconds to launch and works like a proper drone. It comes with multiple modes, such as orbit mode, magnification mode, and zoom out mode to help you create stunning cinematic shots. It also features a live preview mode, allowing you to see what the drone is capturing on your mobile phone in real time. Plus, it's ultra stabilized, making it ideal for smooth action footage or professional travel videos. This compact drone is perfect for anyone looking to level up their photography game.